Hello everyone, welcome back to Code My Hobby. I produce daily videos based around programming with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to upload files using GitHub repository and also how to upload your code using gitbash. So basically, GitHub is a platform for developers to upload their code or files in a safe environment and also work on other developers' code by forking them and committing changes, thereby making the project better. But before we dive into today's video, I'd like to give a shout out to some of my subscribers and people who commented in my last video. So a big shout out to Muhammad Shoaib, and thank you for subscribing. A big shout out to MCE Official. I do see your comments, and also a big shout out to Davido Plays Online. He's also a programmer with a YouTube channel. The link to his YouTube channel is going to be in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump into our browser. What you want to do is search for GitHub on your browser, then it should take you to this. You should open this link over here. So now the first thing you want to do is to create an account with GitHub. So you should go over here and you create an account. So I already created an account, so as you can see. Now I'm going to walk you through the steps of uploading a file using GitHub, downloading a file using GitHub, and also uploading using gitbash. So let's say you want to upload a new file, so go to repositories, and we select new over here. So we're going to give this a repository name. So because this is a random name, I'm just going to give it tutorial. Now, so you do have the option to make it a private link or a public link. Now, when it's private, as you can see over here, you choose who can see to commit your repositories, and in public, anyone can commit your repositories, anyone can have access to your repository. So next, we're going to select create repository. So next thing we're going to do is to select this. So you could either create a new file or upload an existing file. So we're going to select upload an existing file because I'm going to assume you have this file on your device. So select this. Now you have the option to drag the file over here, or you can choose the file through this link. So it has opened this over here, this folder over here. So we're going to select this folder. So you should have a folder that you want to upload already. Now I'm just going to select all of this and click open. So now it has uploaded the files. Now the next thing we want to do is commit changes. So now you can see that this is available for download now. So the link, if you want to give someone the link, now you just go to your browser and grab the URL, and you can send this URL to any user, and the person just needs to download your code over here. Now, so the way you upload your code, you need to understand how you link your projects. So when someone else is downloading your projects, you don't have to go through the headache of linking it properly. So make sure you have done that before uploading a file. Now these files basically are saved to the server, so now it's available online. So for instance, if you deleted a file and the file is on your GitHub page, you can easily download it back by selecting this link and you download the zip file. So just click download and it should download over here. So that's one way to upload a file using GitHub. Now let me show you how to upload a file using gitbash. So first thing you want to do is to download gitbash. So I'll just walk you through a bit. So just go to your browser and type download gitbash, then it should take you to this place and you select this link. So whatever system you're using, it could be Mac, Linux or Windows, so you just have to select it and it automatically downloads it for you. So when that's done, all you need to do is to install the Git on your system. So let's go back to our GitHub page. So we're back in our GitHub page. Now we want to go to the home page, and now we're going to create a new repository. New. So we're going to give this a name of let's say tutorial sec. We're going to make it public. Create repository. So unlike before where we selected upload an existing file, we're not going to do that because we're going to be using our gitbash. So we're going to grab this link over here, git remote add origin with the URL. So we're going to copy this. Now we're going to go to our folder. So the first thing we're going to do is select our folder, so whichever folder you want to upload, just select it and right click, and you should see gitbash here. So select this. Now the first thing we want to do is to initialize our project. So let's go over here and say git init. Now we've initialized our project. Now the next thing we want to do is to check the status of git status. So as you can see, we have a red text over here, which means it's not yet ready for upload. So let's say git add -a. So this is going to add these files to our GitHub folder. So now we're going to check the status again. So this is ready for upload. Now the next thing we're going to do is to we can add like a description or something. So we can do that by saying git commit -m, and you can have whatever text you want to have here. I'm just going to say tutorial source code. Now the next thing we want to do is grab the link we selected earlier, so which is this link. So copy it and you go back to your gitbash and paste it over here. Now click enter again. Now the next thing we're going to do is to push this. We're going to push it, so we're going to do that by saying git push origin master. Now this should take a second. So this is going to push your folder or your file to your GitHub folder. So this method is used when you do have some subfolders that are not able to upload individually, because sometimes when you use GitHub repository to upload, you need to select the file, not the folder. So if you want to upload folders, you use your gitbash. So let's go back to our browser, and when we refresh this, you should see that we have our files over here, and if you need to download it, you can download it. You can download the zip using this link. So basically that's how to upload your code using GitHub repository and using gitbash. So if you do want me to make more tutorials on how to use GitHub pull requests and how to commit changes using GitHub, make sure you comment down below. Now from this video, I'm sure you have gotten the fact that when you want to upload files using GitHub, you use your GitHub repository, and when you want to upload folders, you use your gitbash. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below, and I hope to see your comments regarding the GitHub pull request and how to commit changes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.